Hi everyone, this is a math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following problems using trigonometric ratios. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below. Let's get the number to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. The first part, we have two birds, A and B, are separated by a horizontal distance, CD equals 30 meters. The angle of elevation from B to A is 23 degrees, and the angle of depression from B to D is 31 degrees. The first part of the question says determine the height BC of the bird B, and the second part, determine the height of bird A. We have the shape EBDC, and because that's a rectangle, we have opposite sides parallel. Therefore, we have the angle EBD equals to the angle BDC. I'm going to state that it's equal to 31 degrees, and the reason being they are alternate angles. So therefore, using the triangle BDC as highlighted, I'm going to draw that out. I have my BD, C, and B. We have the angle 31 degrees. And then we have the distance DC, 30 meters. We have to find the height of the bird B. I'm going to start by labeling the sides of my triangle. I have the side facing the angle, that's my opposite. I have the longest side, hypotenuse, and the third side will be my adjacent. So therefore, using the trig ratio, that's 10, I have 10 of angle at D equals opposite over adjacent. Therefore, 10 of the angle 31 degrees equals my opposite, BC, which is the height of the bird B, over my adjacent 30 meters. Therefore, cross multiplying, I have BC equals 30 times 10 31 degrees, which is equal to 18.03 meters. So we have the height BC, that's 18.03 meters. The second part of the question says, determine the height of the bird A. To do that, because we have EBDC as a rectangle, we know that opposite sides are equal, so that means the side BC is equal to the side ED. So I only need to find the distance AE so that I can use that to find the total height of the bird A. So I'm going to use the triangle ABE. I have EB equals 30. So drawing that out, I have AE, which is the missing side. I have 30 meters. I have right angle here. I have 23 degrees. So therefore, starting by labeling the sides of my triangle, the side facing the angle given will be my opposite. The longest side is my hypotenuse, and the last side is my adjacent. So therefore, to find the distance AE, I'm going to state my work. I have AB equals to DC, which is equal to 30 meters. And also, I have ED equals to BC, which is equal to 18.03 meters. So therefore, to find AE, I have 10, that's the trig ratio I'm using, 10 of the angle, I have this as B, 10B equals opposite over adjacent. Therefore, 10 of angle 23 degrees equals my opposite, that's AE, divided by my adjacent, 30 meters. This is over 1, so therefore, my AE is equal to 30 times 10 of angle 23 degrees. So AE is equal to 12.73 meters. Therefore, to find the height of the bird A, I have the total distance, but A has a total distance of AD as shown. So therefore, I have AD equals AE plus ED as shown in the diagram. So therefore, I have that as AE 12.73 meters plus my ED 18.03 meters. Therefore, the total distance of the bird A equals 30.76 meters. For the second part of the question, we have James is standing at point J and Camo is standing at point K. They're standing in a flat horizontal plane. They're both looking at a bird that is flying above them. The angle of elevation of the bird from where James is standing is 45 degrees. I'm going to mark that. So James is standing at an angle of elevation of 45 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the bird from Camo is standing 35 degrees. I'm going to label that. The distance JL between James and the bird is 25 meters. And the distance KL between Camo and the bird is 33 meters. We are to determine how far away James and Camo are standing from each other. First step is to draw a perpendicular distance from L to the base, such that I have that as 90 degrees. I'm going to tag that point M. So I have the distance JM and MK that will give me the total distance between James and Camo. So I have two triangles. I call that A and B. They're both right angle triangles. So starting with the first one, I'm going to find the distance JM. So drawing out my triangle, I have J, M, and L. I have that as 45 degrees. I have 25 meters. So to find JM, starting by labeling the sides, I have the longest side, that's my hypotenuse. The side facing the angle, that's my opposite. And the last side is my adjacent. So to find JM, I have that as cos of the angle given, cos J equals, that's adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos of angle of 45 degrees equals my adjacent, that's JM, that's the distance I'm looking for, over my hypotenuse, 25 meters, it's over 1. So therefore, the distance JM is equal to, cross multiply, 25 times cos 45 degrees. Therefore, JM equals 17.68 meters. I'm going to put that in the diagram. That's 17.68 meters. The next step is to find the distance MK. To find the distance MK, I'm going to use the right angle triangle LMK. I have my sides label, my angle 35 degrees, the distance LK 33 meters. To find MK, I start by labeling the sides. I have the side facing the angle, that's opposite. The longest side, hypotenuse, the last side, adjacent. So what I have will be cos of K equals adjacent over my hypotenuse. I have cos of angle 35 degrees equals adjacent, that's MK, over the hypotenuse, 33 meters. So therefore MK cross multiply equals 33 times cos 35 degrees, and MK will be 27.03 meters. So in the diagram I have that is 27.03 meters. So therefore, to determine how far away James and Camo is, I'm going to start by finding the total distance between James and Camo, and that will be the distance JK equals the distance JM plus the distance MK, that's 17.68 meters, plus 27.03 meters. The total will be 44.71 meters. Thanks for watching. Bye.